Assalamu alaikum. Today we are cooking Chana masala and our ingredients are 2 cans of chickpea, or if you can't find it, you can always boil 800 grams of chickpea. For onions, you'll have to grind them into a paste. 3 tomatoes, and also you'll have to grind them into a puree. One tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 bay leaves, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 1 mace, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then our powder spices are half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon chili powder. Salt to taste, and half teaspoon of garam masala for garnishing. Also 1 handful coriander leaves for garnishing also. We need 2 cups of water. I am using filter water. Heat up the pan, add oil. When oil will be warm, add whole garam masala. Keep stirring for about 1 minute, do not burn. After 1 minute, add onion paste. Keep stirring. Add ginger paste and garlic paste. Keep stirring for another 3 to 5 minutes until your onion paste will become golden brown. Then add tomato puree. Keep mixing, do not burn the paste. When the paste will reduce its amount and it will start releasing oil, add dry spices, means powdered spices, and keep stirring for about 30 seconds. And also do not burn that, it's very easy to do that. After 30 seconds, add your chickpea and cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add water. Mix well. Adjust salt. Cover it. Cook until chickpea will be soft. Add half teaspoon garam masala. And garnish with coriander. Give it the luster, and voila, food is ready. Enjoy!